For centuries, human evolution has been shaped by the slow process of natural selection and genetic inheritance. However, recent advances in technology and science are opening the door to a new era, one in which humans may move beyond their biological origins. This shift could involve integrating artificial intelligence, genetic engineering, or even merging with machines. As we begin to redefine what it means to be human, the future of evolution may no longer be limited to the constraints of our DNA. Such possibilities raise profound questions about identity, purpose, and the very nature of life itself. The journey beyond biology could transform not only our bodies and minds, but also the trajectory of our species as a whole. Human evolution is a story that spans millions of years, marked by significant biological milestones. Early hominins began walking upright, freeing their hands for tool use and manipulation. Over time, brain size increased, allowing for more complex thought and social behaviors. The development of language enabled advanced communication and cooperation within groups. Mastery of fire provided warmth, protection, and new ways to prepare food. These evolutionary changes, along with adaptations in diet and environment, have shaped Homo sapiens into the species we are today. Each milestone has contributed to our unique ability to innovate, adapt, and thrive across diverse landscapes. Recent years have witnessed remarkable progress in biotechnology, artificial intelligence, and cybernetics, leading to a convergence of biology and technology. Advances in gene editing, such as CRISPR, are enabling precise modifications to living organisms, while AI systems are increasingly capable of interpreting complex biological data. In the realm of cybernetics, researchers are developing sophisticated brain-computer interfaces that allow direct communication between the human mind and machines. These innovations are not only enhancing our understanding of life itself, but are also paving the way for new forms of human augmentation and medical treatments. As these fields continue to evolve, the distinction between what is natural and what is engineered becomes ever more nuanced, raising profound questions about the future of humanity. Digital consciousness is a fascinating and complex concept that explores whether human minds can exist independently of biological bodies. The idea centers on transferring or replicating the patterns of thoughts, memories, and personality into a digital medium, such as a computer or advanced artificial intelligence. This process, often referred to as mind uploading, raises profound questions about identity, continuity, and the nature of consciousness itself. While current technology is far from achieving this feat, ongoing research in neuroscience, computer science, and philosophy continues to push the boundaries of what might one day be possible. The implications of digital consciousness extend beyond science, touching on ethics, personal identity, and even the definition of life. As we advance, the debate over whether a digital mind could truly be considered alive or human remains open and deeply intriguing. Transcending biology offers a range of remarkable possibilities for the future of humanity. Enhanced intelligence could allow individuals to process information more rapidly, solve complex problems, and unlock new forms of creativity. The prospect of immortality suggests a life free from the limitations of aging, enabling people to pursue their ambitions indefinitely. Freedom from disease would eliminate many of the health challenges that have plagued humanity for centuries, leading to longer, healthier lives. Together, these advancements could fundamentally reshape society, opening doors to achievements and experiences previously thought impossible. As humans transition beyond their biological origins, profound ethical and philosophical questions emerge. What does it mean to be human when our minds and bodies are no longer bound by biology? Issues of personal identity become complex, as consciousness might be transferred, duplicated, or altered in ways previously unimaginable. The traditional understanding of life's meaning may shift, prompting us to reconsider values, purpose, and connection. These changes challenge long-held beliefs about mortality, individuality, and the nature of experience. Navigating this new landscape requires careful reflection on what truly defines us and how we find significance in a world where the boundaries of humanity are constantly evolving. As biological evolution slows or reaches a plateau, humanity may witness the emergence of a new chapter, technological or digital evolution. In this era, advancements are driven not by natural selection, but by human ingenuity and innovation. Technologies such as artificial intelligence, genetic engineering, and digital networks evolve at a pace far exceeding that of traditional biology. This shift could lead to the creation of new forms of intelligence, life, and even consciousness, fundamentally altering what it means to be alive. The boundaries between the organic and the artificial may blur, ushering in possibilities that were once the realm of science fiction. Ultimately, the end of biological evolution could mark the beginning of a future shaped by our own technological creations. Looking far into the future, humanity may transcend its biological origins, evolving into forms that are difficult for us to imagine today. As technology advances, the integration of artificial intelligence and digital consciousness could redefine what it means to be human. Post-biological humans might exist as digital minds, capable of exploring the universe without the limitations of flesh and bone. The legacy of our species could be measured not only in physical achievements, but in the preservation and expansion of knowledge, creativity, and culture. In this distant era, the essence of humanity may persist through new mediums, ensuring that our story continues long after our original forms have faded. Such a future invites us to reflect on what values and ideas we wish to carry forward as our ultimate legacy. As we contemplate a future where human identity is no longer bound by biology, we are faced with profound questions about what it means to be human. The potential to transcend our physical limitations invites both excitement and uncertainty. Such advancements could redefine concepts of self, consciousness, and community. Ethical considerations will become increasingly important as we navigate these uncharted territories. Ultimately, the choices we make today will shape not only our technological evolution, but also the very essence of humanity for generations to come.